This video is brought to you by the true story of Mrs. Claus. This creative but wholesome reimagining tells the story of how the world's most powerful magic practitioner and a humble toy maker became the most famous couple in history. Together, they bring joy to millions of people every year at Christmas time. This story honors the season's traditions while shedding light on a character that is well known but often overlooked. Click the links in the description below to get your copy today. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another festive Wonka Bar for you. Today, in honor of Thanksgiving, we're doing Pumpkin Patch Harvest Delight. Turkey's white meat, so we're using white chocolate. Now, I have to reiterate what I said in my fully loaded Jack-o'-lantern spooktacular video. Do not use more than 1 teaspoon of pumpkin puree. If you do this, you end up getting a gooey mess instead of a chocolate bar. I know you can only get pumpkin puree in cans, but you can put them in the freezer in an airtight container for storage. The only problem with this is that it doesn't thaw easy. Follow the directions on screen, and in no time at all, you'll have a delicious pumpkin-flavored chocolate bar that even Willy Wonka would be proud of. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.